Paid research study on race, stress, and health at University of Arkansas. By Darius Spearman, African Elements. The University of Arkansas is conducting a paid research study. This study explores the relationship between race, stress, and health among young Black/African American adults. Participants will receive a $40 Amazon gift card for their time. The Sleep and Stress Research Lab in the Department of Psychological Sciences leads this study. They are recruiting participants who identify as Black or African American. Source: University of Arkansas. Specifically, they aim to understand the link between participants' life history, neighborhood environment, and health outcomes. This study examines the relationship between life stress, race, and health among young African American adults. Source: University of Arkansas. Participants will participate in a 45-minute to 1 hour and 15-minute session and will be compensated with a $40 Amazon gift card. Source: University of Arkansas. Furthermore, the study aims to provide valuable insights into health disparities. To be eligible, participants must identify as Black or African American. Moreover, they must be young adults. However, the exact age range for young adult is not specified. This research seeks to understand health disparities facing African American communities. Source: University of Arkansas. Additionally, the study is part of broader efforts to address health inequities. It aims to recruit diverse groups within Black populations, including African American men. This research examines complex relationships between race, stress, neighborhood context, and health outcomes. Consequently, understanding these factors can help inform interventions to improve health equity. Therefore, it addresses the disproportionate burden of trauma and stress-related conditions faced by African American communities. Scholars have called for more studies that recruit diverse groups within Black populations. Source: University of Arkansas. By exploring these relationships, the University of Arkansas aims to generate insights that reduce racial disparities in health and mental health outcomes. Several important ethical considerations must be considered when conducting a paid research study involving African American participants. This is especially true when using Amazon gift cards as incentives. Offering financial incentives, even in the form of gift cards, could unduly influence low-income individuals. This might lead them to participate in a study they would otherwise decline. Source: Tremendous. Researchers must ensure the incentive amount is not so high as to cloud judgment about risks. This is especially concerning for African American communities that have higher rates of poverty. Source: Tremendous. There are risks of exploiting economically disadvantaged groups. They may feel compelled to join research for the financial reward. Source: NCBI. African Americans have a history of being taken advantage of in unethical research, like the Tuskegee syphilis study. Source: NCBI. Therefore, extra precautions are needed to avoid repeating such injustices. Amazon gift cards may not be equally accessible or desired by all participants. Cash provides more flexibility. Source: Indiana University of Pennsylvania. Additionally, incentives should be equitable across study arms and tasks to treat participants fairly. Source: Tremendous. The informed consent process must clearly explain incentive amounts, payment schedules, and any tax implications. This ensures participants can make an autonomous decision. Source: NCBI. This is critical to respect African American participants and build trust. Source: NCBI. Using incentives could be seen as commodifying research participation. This might undermine altruistic motivations to join studies benefiting one's community. Source: NCBI. Engaging African American stakeholders in study design may help navigate these perceptions. Incentives could skew study samples if only those needing money participate. This could limit the generalizability of findings to the broader African American population. Source: NCBI. Researchers should monitor participant diversity to ensure balanced representation. In summary, the University of Arkansas's paid research study seeks to advance understanding of how life stress and environmental factors impact the health of young African American adults. By recruiting participants from this understudied population, the study aims to generate insights that can ultimately help reduce racial disparities in health and mental health outcomes. Source: University of Arkansas. However, while financial incentives like gift cards can boost the recruitment of underrepresented African Americans, researchers must proactively address the ethical challenges of undue influence, exploitation, consent, and fair subject selection. Consulting African American community partners is advisable to develop culturally appropriate and ethical incentive plans, NCBI. Empirical research on effective incentive levels and types is also needed, NCBI. Support African Elements at patreon.com/AfricanElements and hear recent news in a continuous playlist. Additionally, you can gain early access to ad-free video content. About the author. Darius Spearman has been a professor of Black Studies at San Diego City College since 2007. He has authored several books, including Between the Color Lines, A History of African Americans on the California Frontier through 1890. You can visit Darius online at africanelements.org.